In this video, I will show you how you can change the message notification sound on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, just head to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Messages app. Now under Messages, just tap on Notifications, and under the Notification settings, first of all, just enable the toggle for Allow Notifications. And after you do that, then just scroll down and tap on Sounds. And from here, just select any messages sound which you like. Also, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will find the option for classics. And over here, you will find even more classic notification sounds. And after you select a notification sound from here, you will set it as the default notification sound for the messages. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.